Hello and welcome to a new video on the Astra and Stars channel. Astrophotography is a little bit like traveling through time and space. The images that we take of stars and galaxies have traveled for thousands or even millions of years before reaching planet Earth. I realize that showing images with only technical explanations can be a bit boring, and that's why I decided to add educational information about the objects that I photograph, like planets or deep sky objects. The second video in this educational series is about NGC 6888, also known as the Crescent Nebula. The Crescent Nebula is an emission nebula that was discovered by the astronomer William Herschel in 1792 and was assigned the number NGC 6888 in the new General Catalogue that was compiled by John Dreyer in 1888. The image presented is a 128-minute compilation of photographs that were taken on the same night using a Celestron 8SE telescope and an aluminum Celestron dew shield. The telescope was mounted on an HEQ5 mount. I used my ASI 533 camera, an Optolong L Ultimate filter, the mini computer ASI Air, and a ZW electronic automatic focuser. I live in a Bartle 8 zone, and the images were taken on the night of July 23rd to 24th, 2025. The image was then processed using three free software, which are Serial, Grasper, and GIMP. If you want to know more about my processing workflow, you can follow the link below. NGC 6888 is located at about 4,700 light years from Earth in the Cygnus constellation. This means that the light that we observe today has traveled for about 4,700 years before reaching our planet. The nebula itself was formed about 250,000 years ago, which makes it a very young object in the deep sky when we think in astronomical timescale. Its apparent magnitude is about 7.4, and you need to remember that the lower the magnitude, the brighter the object will be. For comparison, we have a full moon at a magnitude of minus 12.74 and the sun at a magnitude of minus 26.74. NGC 6888 is formed by the stellar winds of a Wolf-Rayet star called WR136. It is a massive star in an advanced stage of its evolution. The star ejects its outer layers at speeds that exceed 1,700 kilometers per second. The nebula is created by the collision between these fast winds and the slower material that was expelled earlier when the star was in its red giant phase. The heat produced by these collisions, along with the ionization of the gas caused by the star's intense radiation, makes the nebula visible. The star will eventually end its life in a supernova explosion. If you enjoyed this kind of educational video, please leave a comment or click on like. And until next time, I wish you a clear sky.